For 5c, this geometric progression one here, there's two ways of doing this. There's one way of just saying, well, let's just go from the first one all the way up to the 100th one, and then take away the ones we don't want. And the ones we don't want are 1, 2, 3, and 4 of them. So the first way would be just to do that and use formulas for each of these. For here, a is equal to 3 times 0.5, so we've got 1.5. R is equal to 0.5, and this time n is 100. This one here, you've got the same, but n is 4. Tap that all in, and you can get your answer. The cleverer way to do it, though, is actually just to move it up a little bit and say, well, let's actually start at the 5th one. And so if we start at the 5th one, so put the 5 in there, and your first term is 3 times by 0.5 to the power of 5. R, is 0.5 still every time. And this time we're not doing all 100 of them, but we're just doing 96 of them. That's from 5 all the way up to 100. Put that into your a over 1 minus r to the n all over 1 minus r formula, and you can get the answer, 0.1875. That, well, either way is perfectly fine. This way is a little bit clever, and we use that sometimes in some problem solving methods to do those.